Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial of Plaxis. Before I start, if you could please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, so today we're gonna see the final stage of the Plaxis modeling, which is calculation. So in Plaxis, we could divide our work in multiple phases. So there is the initial phase, where it's initially what we draw in the first video and the second video, and then we have the phase 1. Okay, we're gonna name it piling or pile. Okay, and we're gonna put it start from initial phase. We're gonna go to parameters and go to define. Okay, so in this stage we put our pile, so we toggle on the pile, then we put update. Okay, so now we're gonna go to general and then press next. Okay, we generated a phase 2. We're gonna title it Excavation 1. Okay, so we go to parameters, we go to define, and it's defined that the pile is toggled on because we put the phase 2 that should start from the piling. So now we're gonna toggle off this ground and we're gonna toggle on the anchor. We're gonna update it. Okay, so we're gonna rename it Excavation 1 plus anchor. Okay, now we go to a next phase, which is phase 3. We see it starts here from excavation plus anchor. Let's say it's excavation 2. Parameters, or from here we should define it. It's the final stage of our excavation. We're gonna go to update. Okay, so here is the day interval, and these settings we'll see them further on in other tutorials, therefore consolidation and other stuff and other calculation, like here general calculation, or you can choose consolidation or dynamic analysis or fee C reduction. We're gonna see them later. Okay, so now we can choose a point, a critical point. We're gonna choose A, say update. Okay, so now we're ready to calculate, but before I want to show you that in an excavation 2 we removed the soil here, so the pile is not calculated to support the sand here without the soil, so it will give me an error. I did it to show you what will the error look like. So we'll press and calculate. Here the program is calculating it by fine element. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, so when it's a green tick, everything's alright and the calculation is done. And when it's a red cross, there's an error, and you can see the error here. Okay, so and when it's a blue flash, it's not calculated. So we're gonna delete the phase 2 because we don't need it. We only need this phase to be reached. Okay, so we can see the calculation here, the output. Here you can see the deformation of the pile and the soil. You can see horizontal increments or effective stress. Everything is contained in here, the deformation and stress. So now we're gonna take the result to curves. Okay, new chart. Okay, we're gonna choose here from where we're gonna choose the file. It's called tutorial. Open displacement here. Here you can see the charts of our calculation. So this is it for this tutorial for beginners. In the next tutorial, I will be doing 6 lessons, which will be more advanced than these tutorials. These tutorials are just for beginners. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment box. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.